Hi, I'm Doug. There's a new report exposing how some HVAC rebates are being used to mislead homeowners. Big savings promised, then later people find out they never qualified. It's being called the rebate trap, and it's catching more homeowners than you'd think. So today I want to show you something that almost nobody explains properly. The rebate trap. Because the moment rebates become headlines, that's when homeowners get taken advantage of the most. If you've been searching online for HVAC rebates, you've probably seen dozens of websites telling you to apply here. And half of them look like government programs. Let me tell you something. That confusion isn't your fault. Some HVAC companies are building rebate-style websites that look official. Same color, same wording, same authority tone. But they aren't government programs at all. They're sales funnels designed to make you think the rebate is guaranteed if you buy their systems. Here's the problem. Rebates are bait, not a plan. The first trap. Most rebates come with fine print. Eligible equipment, approved installers, efficiency ratings, paperwork deadlines. If you buy the wrong equipment because the website looked official, you can lose the rebate entirely, even after spending thousands. The second trap, and the one no one's talking about. Chasing a rebate can blind you to the real question. Will the equipment actually keep you comfortable? I've seen homeowners swap a 70,000 BTU furnace for a 3-ton heat pump because of a rebate, and then end up wondering why their house feels cold on the worst winter days. It's like buying shoes because they were on sale, and then realizing they don't actually fit. A rebate can save you money. A wrong system can cost you comfort, repairs, and regret. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out which programs are real, which website can you trust, which system qualifies, or whether a heat pump is enough for your home, you're not alone. The industry is noisy on purpose. They want you confused. Confused shoppers don't ask smart questions. But you're not here to be sold. You're watching to understand and to make smart decisions. Okay, here's the real secret. The smartest homeowners don't chase rebates. They choose equipment based on comfort, capacity, long-term cost, reliability, and whether it fits their home, not someone else's marketing plan. If a rebate applies, great, that's a bonus, not the reason to buy. And that's why rebate-driven sales pitches are everywhere right now. The investigation I mentioned earlier is just one example. Companies know homeowners are chasing rebates, and that urgency makes it easy to get caught up in the trap. Before you say yes to a quote, a website, or a rebate promise, get clear on what your home actually needs. I know this stuff sounds confusing, so I put together a free Home Comfort Checkup in plain English. It only takes a minute. You'll get an instant score that shows exactly where you stand, so you can make smarter decisions with confidence. Rebates shouldn't drive your choice, you should. I figured this out the hard way so you don't have to, so follow me.